Here we go, boys.
I don't think, I mean, wait. We can just check how many...
wow. There's over. Sorry, guys.
What? Call somebody!
Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, guys.
Seatbelt.
Wait, this is kind of okay.
Guys!
Jesus! Wow.
Oh, fuck.
Well, that could have gone worse. I mean, somebody could have died. Benji, are you still in it? Can you, like,
okay.
you know, try and wiggle it around?
I am trying to wiggle it around. I'm trying to balance it for the rock that he's about to throw at us.
No, I just threw a rock, but I need to throw it again. Where's it at?
I think it's right under the car.
Found it.
Oh, fuck.
Where do you get those rocks from? Those things are crazy.
Yeah, you buy them at the Mega Mall.
Jesus! I gotta get a rock, man.
Did that work?
I gotta get a rock. Is that movable?
No, more back. Go back a little bit more.
Jesus.
Where's me rock, bruv? Keep doing it.
It's good.
Man, good fucking job, bro.
There you go, bro. Rock tech. Let's go. Can you imagine that? That should be a towing service, dude. Just fucking throw rocks at the goddamn cars.
Jesus. Oh my God. I think he's dead, man. I think he's...
You sure?
Pretty sure, yeah.
At least the car still looks good, right?
It does look good.
I got one.
I have a repair kit or toolkit if we need it.
Same. Because the reality is that if one of these guys is a witness and he snitches on us, we all go to prison.
Oh my God.
Oh dear, guys.
Where? The bottom?
Oh my God! Kill them!
Oh.
Kill them all!
Oh my God.
There's more. Here, drop me off. I'll skin this one.
Bro,
Oh Christ, what are you doing?
Why are you gonna want to add?
Oh,
No!
Oh
my God!
Jesus!
My bag!
Jesus! No!
Everybody hold on! Hold on, guys, hold on!
Jesus! I think I'm gonna drown. I think I'm drowning.
Oh my God! Oh shit! Timote is calling. Timote! Oh my God! Where did that crazy guy go?
Mr. X, is that you? Oh, maybe I don't. I swear I saw some purple here, though.
Down! CEO down!
We didn't get any of those deer, huh?
No.
At least we lived.
I got water in my lungs.
Shouting for no reason.
Oh my God, he needs Benji.
Yeah.
Benji, he needs CPR, man. He needs CPR.
No, he doesn't. You give him the CPR, bro. I got the bottom.
What do you mean you're giving him CPR on the bottom? What does that mean?
It's wet. It's wet. I'm just drying up the pants. Who the fuck knows, bro?
Jesus.
Get me to the hospital.
Blow. Oh, he's coughing. He's coughing. He's alive. He's alive.
We need a vehicle. We need a vehicle.
Deer behind. Kick it.
The guys coming. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming.
I got the deer. I got the
The
deer.
deer. Oh, good shit.
I got it. I got it. I can knife it.
Still alive.
It's still alive.
Since I'm not in the group, you guys.
Why can't I knife this bitch, bro? They're coming right now, X. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. The new intern coming. Well, the guy you're vetting is coming right now. Go up a little bit higher. Oh my God. At least you didn't drown. Be alright. Okay. I'm almost dead. Oh fuck. You know I might die too. Fuck. I'm gonna meditate so I don't get hurt. I'm gonna control my blood flow right now. Get the chakras aligned, motherfucker. Well, you have bandages? Give me some, man.
What, you need bandages? Why don't you say anything?
Well, I thought you like. I was trying to control my
Thought
blood flow.
I was. You think I don't have I'm reliable, sort of.
You're super reliable, man. My name was
I
Lottie.
think I'm gonna drown. I think I'm drowning.
Yes, what even happened there?
Hey.
I think I'm gonna drown. I think I'm drowning. You sure they're coming here, right? Who's coming? Just Timothy?
I clicked E on the fucking
You got
inspector.
friends, or
I don't fucking know, bro. But at least if you can pick up eggs, I guess, you know, at least, you know, the guy that's
hopefully
dying. So, yeah.
you can figure out the rest. I'm gonna go look for a thing.
That's unlucky.
Okay, yeah.
The problem that I have, chat, is that we cannot check the amount of heat that our stuff generates or amount of
X, you alright?
of
You
water.
with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Help is on the way. Help is on the way.
Amount of water or amount of
Oh my God, it's right here.
humidity.
Hi, Kuya.
Hi, ¿cómo está?
Who?
Because we don't own the
Yo,
house
what
on
the fuck
paper.
What the fuck happened to you?
We all almost drowned. Fuck.
What?
Let's go. We go fit.
Yeah.